Hi Stampin' friends. Tonight we're going to use the Hey Sports Fan Designer Series paper. This paper is called Hey Sports Fan, but it's a baseball paper. I don't know why they didn't call it Hey Baseball Fan, because that is the theme of this particular paper. It has several different patterns. It has a pinstripe, which is like old-timey uniforms. It has repeating baseball diamonds. It has a catcher's ensemble, and it has the home plate there under it. It has baseballs and bats, and then stars. I forgot to show you the back side of this, the red Poppy Parade stripes. I was going to show you these in an easier way here. These tickets. I think some of these tickets could be used for some other games like general admission, but that says take me out to the ball game. So I find it very, very specific. I've tried to figure out if there are any that you could use for scrapbooking a football game, and I don't really think so. So there's like admit one, which, you know, that could be for a movie or anything. So there's several on this. And the back side is gorgeous. It's this navy wood grain that I really like for masculine cards. And then this is, again, the red. Let's see, here's the other one I wanted to show you because it's not part of it. These pennants are great and they're not necessarily sporty. They have things like Happy Day. I mean, I could see that being pretty useful. And then the back side is a baseball stitching from the ball. So that is that. So I have several different ideas, so I hope that some of them might appeal, especially for those of you who bought the paper share. I don't want you to feel like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. So hopefully we'll take care of that. All right, so the first thing that I wanted to show you was just several different possibilities with the paper. The paper is Evening Evergreen, Poppy Parade, Bumblebee, and Night of Navy. So this one is the back side of the Starburst Bumblebee. So it's got a big, bold kind of a print on it. And it just has some dots here. So I thought that that could be a cute one to put another color under, which this is kind of a 6 of 1. You could put navy under it to really stay with the intensity. And then, there we go, sorry, to really stay with the intensity of color. Or you could do something like put this pretty star paper under it, and that will give it more of a light and bright kind of a look. Now, embellishments, I think, with this are pretty easy because, you know, we don't want frilly ribbons. I do think that this window pane would be gorgeous with it. Maybe not with all of these particular prints, but certainly with several of them, this window pane it can look very masculine with something like this. Then I was just thinking we could put you're out of this league, or best day ever, or that's a home run. I think that's a home run is perfect for making this a card about a congratulatory thing, like, you know, celebrate you graduated, or, you know, something like that for someone who is a baseball fan. So that's that idea. Then this card, I tried to use as much baseball as I could. So what I did was just cut the baseball and bat print, put it on the Evening Evergreen. Then I used basically the same kind of a look with the Night of Navy to mat the catcher's mitt, batting helmet, that kind of stuff. And then I thought you could use the pinstripes back here. I may want to put something under those as well. And then a happy birthday. So this is kind of a simple sort of card that really has very minimal stamping. This happy birthday is from the Mini Messages set, and these mini messages are made to be cut out with dies, but they'll cut out with other things too. And this happy birthday is so nice and masculine that I just went ahead and cut it out of the stamp. So I could use it for other, at other times. And so I think that that one is really nice to kind of make a little standout there. All right, so that's my second one. And then for this one, I wanted to kind of show a patriotic card. So I thought it would be kind of cute to, now I haven't decided exactly where I want to put all of these guys yet. This is kind of, decisions. But to put a thank you on there, I thought that made it look patriotic without being super obvious. So I thought that could be a useful thing for, I usually send my thank yous on the 4th of July. People say you should send them on Veterans Day. Don't ever send them on Memorial Day to a living veteran, of course. That would be weird. But I just thought that could be a really cute one to get another use out of this, a thank you for a veteran out of this paper. Of course, you may like it set up differently, or you could even, run this long ways and put the blue in the corner only and just put a few stars there and then do it like that. That would also be super cute. And that is even more obvious of what you're going for there. And what I did want to show, punching that out with this tailored tag punch is another possibility with this happy birthday as well. Because you might kind of like, what I wanted to say about this is you might kind of like how it kind of goes into the plate. It looks like a diamond, that kind of thing. So lots of ideas with this, and I'm going to go ahead and probably make as many of these into cards while I'm at it as I can, just to get this completely finished up. I did a patriotic possibility, one that's definitely baseball, and then one that is baseball but could be used for telling someone congratulations in general, or just, you did a great job kind of a thing. So that was my plan with these 3 cards. So I appreciate you all watching, and I hope that you have a great week and can find some uses for this pretty paper. Bye-bye.